Hi y'all, and welcome to another TikTok how-to video. Apparently these are good for me, so that's what we're doing. The thing we're making today is this. I will show you what it looks like so you guys know what we're making. I'm really excited to make these. I've seen these all over TikTok, so I thought I would show you guys how to. I'm planning to put them on this empty wall right here. I have 3 of them, so let's jump right into this. So I'm going to show you guys how to make these. So first things first is I'm going to list off all the, what are they called? Your materials, that's what it's called. So, either picture frames or just pieces of glass. You'll need, I'm doing 3, so I picked my 3 favorite songs. You'll also need a Sharpie marker. You can do white, but I'm going to do black because as you can tell my walls are very light colored. That's your material. I keep wanting to say ingredients. Hannah, we're not making a recipe, we're making our thing. Let's go on to making it. These are the 3 songs I chose. I took a screenshot on my phone and then logged into Google Photos on my computer, and then I downloaded them from Google Photos to the actual computer. So they were on here so I could move them. Once that was done, I opened a Google Drawing and uploaded the images from my computer. Once they were in the drawing, I then decided to crop out any of the extra black parts that I didn't need. I also separated the album cover from the actual top so that when I put them in the frame, they fit better. Once that was finished, I then changed the size, so it was 8x10 because that's the size of the frame I'm using. These are the frames I'm using, link in the description. They're from Amazon, Canadian. Images, I got my mom to print them out. Hello everybody. I literally just helped. But now I'm going to be unwrapping these and cutting these to get them all ready. If you want to get some good picture frames, I ordered mine from Amazon. It's a set of 3 for $24.95, I think. This is Amazon Canada. I don't know what it's like for the US, but I'll put the link in the description for these. Don't fall out, glass, don't fall out. So I'll probably just like tape these in place, like the glass. I'll tape the glass in place. So that's what it's gonna look like, but then it'll have like the, not this exactly, but kind of this kind of thing. My nails. There we go. Oh, my nails are short. Let's see if I can be a baller. That did not work at all. We're ready to go with the glass. Now I'm gonna chop. My mom printed out a couple copies in case I ruined one of them. When you're cutting these, make sure you're really careful with cutting these because these are actually going in the frame. These, you don't have to be, like, be careful, but they don't have to be perfectly because you're tracing it and then you're not using it again, so it's fine. Let's see if I can curve it. So here's this one. It looks pretty good. It's number 1. Oh no, wait, I have to cut this thing. Let's try and shift this camera. I'm not liking the angle here. Yeah, there, no. Oops. There, that's better. Better angle. I don't like looking down at the camera. Okay, there we go. That's 1. Now on to tongue-tied. I'll see you guys when I'm done cutting the last 2. I got all 3 in there. I'm not gonna lift them because I've made quite a mess. I headed to Michael's to pick up a a glass marker. So let's go. I have gotten the marker. I got the Craft Smart one. It's an oil-based paint pen and it works on all these surfaces, including glass. We're now getting into making this. So right now I just have it set up like that. I'm gonna take this out so I can clean the glass. Here we go. Here are my current supplies. Some water, paper towel, glue, tape. There, and 2 other ones, and the marker I got. Ow! Oh, that's so pointy. So you're gonna take your glass and clean it. But there's one, so I think I'll just do them one at a time, and I'll show you guys. So I have my paper and this thing. I think I'm gonna glue this on. This video is gonna be sideways, I apologize. Pull our marker out. Here's our marker for this. I'm gonna line this up and tape it, I think. I'm gonna get some. So I'm just taping this to the back to trace. Line this up. And there. There, we finally got it on. There we go. Mostly straight. And now we're going to trace using this marker. Sweating, this was so stressful. Okay. Please, don't be ugly, please. Oh, I'm actually kind of vibing with that. What? Okay guys, they're all done. There's the 3 of them. They look actually really good. I had to go back and fix that one, but I'd say this one probably came out the best. They're all taped in their frames. They're flipped backwards so that they don't fall out. But I'm quite happy with them. I think we'll be hanging them tomorrow, so I will see you guys when we do that. Using these command sticky things. They're Velcro, so you just put them on and then you put another one on the wall and it Velcros to the wall. I got this guy shorter so that he sits nicer on here and doesn't stick out over the edge. Here is the final product. It looks so good. I really like it. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make these over here. They look really good on the wall. So hope you guys will go and do this now. I'll see you guys on Friday. Peace.